Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for the App Calc AB test, updated. Begin by taking a practice exam to find gaps, then make a realistic weekly schedule. Break topics into 25 to 50-minute focus sessions with short breaks. Prioritize limits, derivatives, integrals, and interpretation of graphs. Use timed sections regularly to build pacing and confidence, and review mistakes deeply to prevent repeat errors. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading owner's manuals and step guides while you work on your X6, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that fits in your garage glove box. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If programming does not succeed, first swap batteries in both the key and vehicle to rule out power issues. Double-check the timing and sequence of button presses, as slight delays can break the pairing process. If the key contains a transponder chip that needs coding, a dealer or certified locksmith will have the diagnostic tools required to complete the job and register the key to your car's immobilizer system safely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.